Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, and you can see the battle, upper band versus lower band last week. We bounced off the lower band. They took the daily mid-band back, and they held it on Friday. We have been fighting with the blue line here in the 9-day simple moving average as resistance. We're trading effectively at the mid band right now. They took it down to the 68 area last night. Here's the hourly chart. You can see the new weekly pivot here, 25.7358. They tried to hold it off the open. They broke it, and then they made 1, 2, basically matching lows, potential double bottom, 67.75 to 68. So that's an area that's going to be critical all day long. The bulls want to go ahead and leave that low right where it is, create a higher low at the weekly pivot. Then they're going to have to go ahead and take out the lower high from Thursday up at 25.89.5. If they can do that, then they have a good look at taking out the all-time high up in the 94 area, and at that point you're looking at 2600. The bears want to hold the daily midband, which is basically where we are here, stay under weekly pivot, not only today but for the week. The bears need to definitively win the weekly pivot battle early in the week and to leave it sealed as resistance. That's the only thing that is going to allow them to make lower lows. Now, we have a short week this week. You've got regular days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Pits are closed Thursday. I think Globex is open. Doesn't really matter. I'm not trading on Thursday. And we open back up for a half a day on Friday. So it's a holiday week. That favors the bulls. Always does. Always favors the bulls. So the best thing that the bears can do now is to really try to take control early in the week, establish weekly pivot as resistance, get rid of this potential double bottom, and go down and try to take a look at the lower band touch from last week down at 25.55 half. If they don't, then you're just going to get this slow bleed up all week long, because that's what the market does. In a vacuum, that's what it will do. If the bears aren't proactive, if the bears sit back, we will bleed up all week long. There's nothing to stop it. Unless we get some news, unless there's something out there that's going to drop that's going to keep this market down, and not just dump it for an hour, but keep it down. The bears can't hold. They cannot hold lower highs and lower lows. The dip buyers are too relentless. We've got a really nice two-sided market going right now. I'm not complaining, but what I am doing is I'm warning people that are fighting price. If we start to drip higher, don't fight price. No reason to fight price. None. So keep an eye on 68, keep an eye on 73, keep an eye on 76. Daily pivots up here in the 78 area. Then you've got the pre-market high from Friday at 85 half, and as I mentioned before, 89 half. On the down, it's all about 55. All about 55. All right, everybody have a good one. I'll be around for a midday update. Talk to you then. Trade 'em well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.